So today I got this 91 Astro Hydro Boost set up. It came with this nice reservoir. It's a firewall mounted reservoir. Got a nice bracket on it here. And we're gonna set it up to go into the step van. So here's the existing location here. So we're gonna pull out this master. We're gonna attempt to see if we can get it to fit. It looks like there's gonna be enough room underneath here for the length. And here's the underneath where the master cylinder connects to the brake pedal. Looks like there's a location for a brake switch already. I'm not sure what that other piece is there. It might be an older brake switch. But it looks like they have two locations, so that's good for us because we'll use the one above there. Looks like it takes a standard brake switch. And here's the outside again. Looks like we'll have enough room for that Hydro Boost setup. It's a nice compact unit. So I'll get this off and go from there. Just wanted to get another look here at the Hydro Boost setup here out of the 91 Chevy Astro van. It's about 14 5/8 long. It comes with a metal reservoir. That's what the Astro van had. It's a nice little reservoir. It mounts to the firewall. If you roll it on its side, you can see the staggered pattern on the master cylinder reservoirs, which allow for that slope in the hood. Sorry about the mount, it's a little bit shaky. Working on another camera mount system. One down, one to go. So here it is with it removed. It looks like there's 4 existing holes here. Somebody filled them in prior to me owning the van. Uh, so I'm going to measure those and see how they line up. I may just have to egg them out a little bit. The center board is the same size. The center board from the Hydro Boost will fit. It's about 2 inches. And these 4 bolts are really close. So like I said, I may just need to egg them out on the bracket to have them fit. So I got it propped up here with a block right now. Looks like it's going to be close, but I think we got a winner here. Just have to drill these holes, either open up the ones on the bracket itself or the firewall. Haven't decided which way I'm going to go with it. Looks like we're going to clear just barely. Look at the top of that booster and that reservoir and that bracket. That's perfect. I mean, it's like it was made for it. All right, let's get this thing bolted to the firewall. So what I ended up doing, I just egged out the holes just a little bit on the bracket. They were about 1/8 of an inch out. So I got some good clearance here with the hood. And underneath here, looks like the bracket I may have to put a piece in there. I could drill it out right there. That would give me a pedal somewhere around there on the floor. So I probably am gonna put like a little half moon on there, just so I can get the movement I'm looking for. I will come back and I'll put lock washers or another lock nuts on it, but for now that'll be fine. So it looks like I'm gonna set the pedal height until I actually have the braking system hooked up, because I'm not sure on how much this is supposed to travel in and out. I'm not sure if I have to add a tang onto the arm a little further out here, so I have the low pedal on the floor and the movement. I mean, just so my feet aren't just sitting way up in the air. It's quite uncomfortable. So it came out pretty good. Looks like clearances are going to work. That's all the way down. Got enough room between the hood, even the rod clears. Looks like we're good to go. This is the transmission transfer case out of the S10 S15 pickup. This had the motor that switched it from 4 high to 4 low. They fail a lot. I'm going to remove that. There's a kit I can buy that turns that into a lever actuator. The length of this is consistent with the 91 setup, except for the tail housing on the transfer case is a little longer on the S10. So I'm going to have my drive shafts custom made anyway. This one has the flange output shaft for the 4-wheel drive. The other one has a slip-on style. You can still buy the slip-on style for the Astro van. It's a later model year, so it's right around the 2000 era. You can buy those brand new. So we're going to convert over to the slip-on style that you see on the S10 transfer case. Has a little snap ring that holds it into place. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll have more videos to come.